this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in a 2013 Mazda 2. If you're watching this, you probably already know how. It's pretty easy, but you just want verification. Here it goes. Tips for doing your air filter: clean off this top cover because your hands will get dirty and then you might transfer it onto the new filter. The filter goes in this orientation. If I turn it over, it has a groove in it. The groove goes down. Then another thing to notice is this corner goes up. These tabs need to be loosened, so you're going to loosen them. There's 4, I believe. And then this is free to come up. That's all you got to loosen. So we're going to lift this up once we loosened it. Let me take my gloves off because they're a little dirty. So this is the inside of the filter, and this bottom side is the intake side. So there you can see all the dirt that you collect. That's why I'm replacing it. So you just want to make sure it goes back in, or the new one goes in the correct way. Let's get the new filter. So here, this groove is going to go in the groove, so I'm going to align that. So that's why the groove side goes down. So there's a round edge, a square edge. The square edge goes in this corner. So make sure everything lines up okay. There. So you do want it in place securely. Now we're going to push this down. There you go. Looks nice. Now we'll snap all these back on, but you can kind of lift and pull. Lift and pull. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but lift on the arm and pull. And then this one, lift and pull.